In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all the core accounting and sales features. If you're managing customer payments, it's important to enter advance payments correctly so your records stay organized and accurate from the beginning. Once you're inside Zoho Books, go to the Sales section. This area contains the customer-related transactions and is where you can manage invoices, payments, and other sales activities. After opening Sales, click on Payment Received. This section is used to record money that has come in from a customer, including payments made before an invoice is fully applied. From there, click New Transaction. This will open the payment entry form where you can start creating the advance payment record. Take your time on this page, because the information you enter here will affect how the payment is tracked later. Next, select the customer name. Make sure you choose the correct customer, since the advance payment will be linked to that account. This is especially useful if the customer plans to use the payment toward future invoices. Selecting the right customer helps avoid confusion and makes reconciliation much easier later on. After that, choose the date for the payment. Enter the actual date. The advance payment was received, so your books reflect the correct timeline. Keeping dates accurate is important for reporting, account matching, and maintaining a clear history of transactions. Now, enter the necessary details in the form. Depending on your setup, this may include the payment amount and any other required information related to the transaction. Be sure to review everything carefully before saving. A small mistake in payment records can create issues later, so it's always worth taking a few extra seconds to confirm the details are correct. Once everything is filled in, click Save. This will record the advance payment in Zoho Books and keep it available for future use when you need to apply it to the customer's invoice. That's all it takes to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. It's a simple process, but doing it properly helps keep your customer balances clean and your accounting records accurate. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to manage advance payments smoothly and confidently inside your Zoho Books account.